Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Chevy Impala LT. Stock number Z6543A. Only 64,000 miles and there's one owner. Local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold this Impala brand new, black in color. The Impala is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 6 with a cloth interior. Flip and fold seat feature. Seat bottoms flip forward, giving you hooks perfect for plastic grocery bags. Everything's covered in hard plastic, makes it very easy to clean if it gets wet or dirty. Seat back can then fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk, one of the largest in its class. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And not only low miles, but very clean. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, large, easy to read gauges, again only 64,000 miles, tilt wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, dual zone temperature control, storage in the armrest, otherwise up and out of the way for a middle passenger, cup holders, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 300 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy along with those 300 horses. EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 65% of tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6543A to 66244.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.